Morning students, again I have come back. Yesterday I have solved some of the questions and I also told you that I will be solving some extra questions that I have selected from different books. Okay, so I am solving it as much as possible and the file already being uploaded. You can go through it. So it will be very helpful for you. So without wasting time, I am trying to solve as much as possible. Okay, simplify. First question is simplify. Simplify what I told you. Simplify, find the value, evaluate. Meaning is same. We have to find the number, answer in number. Okay. So now here the question is 1 by 4 raised to minus 3 minus 1 by 3 raised to minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. So is there any similarity you are getting? First of all, it is a minus sign. So there is no relations between the two rational numbers. We cannot work out. But negative exponent can be converted into positive. That part I know. I will perform that work only. After that, after segregations up to this much, we have to find out the relations with the third part. Okay, let's see. And until unless you are doing it this time, this part will just you have to write down here. Okay. Now this one. So if you make it positive, it will be 4q minus it will be 3q. Okay, and divided by 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. So you can convert this one also. Negative is there. It will be what? Positive. Positive needs to convert positive. Negative number is there. You have to convert it in positive. Reciprocate the base. When positive is there, you need to convert it to negative. Reciprocate the base. Okay. What is the result coming here? So 4 3 times. What is the result? 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So it will come 64. What is the result? This one 3 3 times. 3 3 3. If you multiply, it will come 27. Divided by, if I multiply 16, multiplied by 16, 4 4s are 16. Okay. So now what is the difference between the two? The 14, 7. Okay. If carry 1, 3, 37, 7, 3, 37 divided by 16. Okay. So it is coming 16. So is it possible to divide? Not possible. So your answer will be what? In a fractional form. So 37 by 16. No need to divide it. Okay. So your answer will be in the fractional form only. You will leave up to this much. This is the answer. Okay. Not going to divide. So number B. So 2 by 3 raised to minus 6 into 3 by 2 raised to minus 4. So is there any relations you can find out? It is 2 by 3, it is 3 by 4. Yes, you can. Any one of them, just you have to reciprocate. Then it will come same base. After that, you have to follow the rules of laws of exponent. So let's see the first one. So if I convert, the negative will be positive, and this time it will be positive. And now 3 raised to 2 or minus 4. Now it is coming in form, proper form. So both side, both the number having the same base. In case of multiplication, we have to add the power. Okay. So it will be 3 by 2 raised to 6 minus 4. So 3 by 2 raised to what is the result? 6 plus 4, or 3 by 2 raised to 10. Now if I write down 3 by 2 10 times, the answer will be, you can leave up to this much. It is not necessary all the time the answer will be in number. So though the instruction is simplify. Find the value and evaluate must be in number, but simplify as much as possible. You make it a simpler form. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Now next number, what we have, find the value. That means question number 2, find the value. Find the value means the answer will be in number. So here question number is minus 3 by 4 raised to minus 2 raised to 2 raised to 2. Okay. You have to show the result. Minus 2 raised to 2. What I told about the double power. So this one minus 3 by 4 raised to 2 to the 4, minus 4. So if I like to change into positive, what I said? So reciprocate the base. This one minus 4 by 3 raised to 4. Okay. Now find out the value. So minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 but minus 4 by 3. Why? Instruction is find the value or evaluate. So answer should be in the number. Okay. So if I multiply 4 times, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 64 4s are 64 4s are 256. 256 by 81. This is 81. Now positive or negative? You tell me. It will be positive or negative? How many negative numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is what type of number? Even. When number of negative number comes in even, the product will be positive. And if it comes in odd, then it will be negative. If one more 4 is there, minus 4, then it will be the minus result. Okay. So no need to divide it. You will leave this exercise answers like fraction form. Okay. Now, interesting question. This type of question you will get so many questions in class 9, but you have to practice. Question number 3. Find the value of P. Find the value of P. In question, 2 by 5 raised to 3 into 2 by 5 raised to minus 6 equals to 2 by 5 raised to 2p minus 1. Very, very important question. Okay, definitely it will come. So first of all, you will see the left hand side. What is this part? Here 2 by 3, 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 I can write on in product form 3 plus minus 6. That is equals to the 2 by 5 raised to 2p minus 1. What is the result here? 2 by 5 raised to 3 minus 6, that equals to 2 by 5 raised to 2p minus 1, or 2 by 5 raised to, what is the result? Minus 3 equals to 2 by 5 raised to 2p minus 1. You see both on side the number is in a simpler form. Now both on side numbers are being base 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So what we will write? By equating the power from both sides. The is equal to sign is there, base is same, that means their power must be same. So by equating the power both sides. By equating the powers both sides. Okay. What is coming? Minus 3 equals to 2p minus 1. or you can reverse 2p minus 1 equals to minus 3, or 2p equals to minus 3 plus 1, or 2p equals to minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2, or p equals to minus 2 by 2 cut minus 1, or p equals to minus 1. Answer. So your value of p is p equals to minus 1. You see, very important questions. The simpler form, but in class 9th will be getting little complex form. Okay, so concept is same, only you have to see both hand side, base should be same. If not same, is there any way to change the shape like this? When negative exponent is there, just reverse it. You can see that both numbers having the same base. After that, follow the laws. Okay. Now next number is, here also find the value of if. Interesting, this is also very interesting question. If what x by y equals to 3 by 2 raised to minus 2 divided by 3 by 7 raised to 0, then find the value of x by y raised to q. So first of all, you have to simplify this part. X by y equals to this. Clear? If the result in the simpler form comes like this, then what should be the value if I find out the cube? So you have to simplify this one. That is equals to x by y. Now afterward, you just find out the cube of that result. That is the answer. Okay. So then what to do? Now here 3 by 2 raised to minus 2 divided by 3 by 7 raised to 0. Okay. So make it positive. So 2 by 3 raised to, when any number divided by raised to the power 0, it will be 1 only, or when any number divided by 1, we are getting 2 by 3 as answer. So x by your x by y equals to 2 by 3. But they are asking you to find out x by y raised to whole cube. So therefore x by y equals to 2 by 3, or x by y raised to whole cube equals to 2 by 3 raised to whole cube. Now find out the whole cube. So 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, that equals to 8 by 27. Answer. So your answer. Okay, understood? So practice makes the man perfect. So whatever the number of questions you will be able to solve, that will what? Help to strengthen your knowledge. Okay, you can do some extra question anytime if I ask you, but for this needs patience. You have to very particular in your subject, and since I am doing some hard work for you, at least the feedback I should get that right. Same here also, question number 5, extra questions. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Question is 125 by 27 into 125 by 27 raised to x equals to 5 by 27, 5 by 3, 5 by 3 raised to 18. 5 by 3 raised to 18. Therefore, whatever the part we have in the left hand side, there is no link with the right hand side. But number is in bigger form. So what can I do? So I have to reduce the number. So 125 is a cube of this, and this is also cube multiplied by here also 5 by 5 cube by 3 cube, another x is outside, and this is equals to 5 by 3 raised to 18. Now it is coming little bit essential. So it is a cube of 5 by 3 raised to cube into 5 by 3 raised to power 3 into x, 3x, double power 3 into x, 3x, that equals to 18. 5 by 3 raised to 18. Now left hand side, what is the relation? You have got 5 by 3 raised to power will be added, base is same, 3 plus 3x, that is equals to 5 by 3 raised to 18. Same, both hand side having the same base, equal to sign is there, that means their power also same. So if you get what by equating the powers both sides. So what we get? Therefore 3 plus 3x will be equals to 18, or 3x equals to 18 minus 3, or 3x equals to 15, or x equals to 15 by 3 cut 5, or x equals to 5. Answer. So your value of the x here 5. Okay, if it is not visible, you can make out very simple type of linear equation you have formed. So by transposing the numerical factor right hand side, literal factor left hand side, that policy you have applied, we will find out the result. Okay. Now I have understood the same type of questions we have. Question 6. So here find the value of x. Here also find x. Find x. So 81 raised to minus 4 divided by 729 raised to 2 minus x, 2 minus x, that is equals to 9 raised to 4x. So until and unless left hand side and right hand side base are not same, I cannot apply. So you have to do then, you have to make the base same both sides. Since left hand side right hand side 9 is there, so in all cases 9 should be the base. Okay. So no need to consider that sir, I can reduce in the 3 factor also. No. Our requirements is the base 9. I have to make it base 9 here. Okay. So now it will be what? 9 square raised to minus 4 divided by 9 cube raised to 9 cube raised to 2 minus x that equals to 9 raised to 4x. You have to calculate nicely. So inner power, outer power, what I said, multiply. So it will be minus 8 divided by, if I multiply it by 3, it will be 6x minus 3x. So 9 raised to 6x minus 3x. Have you understood? 3 multiplied this factor. So 3 into 2, 6. 3 into x, 3x. That equals to 9 raised to 4. Now, in division case, what to do? We reduce the power 9 raised to minus 8 minus. Why? Because division. And entire part will be in bracket. 6x minus 6 minus, sorry, not 6x, 6 minus 6 minus 9 raised to 6 minus 3x. So it will be 6 minus 3x close. So 9 raised to 4. Okay. So what is coming? So 9 raised to minus 8 bracket close minus 6 minus plus 3x equals to 9 raised to 4. Have you understood this calculation? Minus sign is there. When you remove the bracket, this is minus 6 and minus plus 3x. So what is coming? 9 raised to minus plus 14 plus 3x equals to 9 raised to 4. Okay. Now both on side base is same way by equating powers both side. Okay, so therefore what will come here? Minus 14 plus 3x equals to 4, or 3x equals to 4 plus 14, or 3x equals to 14 plus 18, or x equals to 18 by 3 cut 6, x equals to 6. Answer. Very interesting questions, a very important question also. Okay, so needs patience and practice. Okay, you see, write down quickly. Now I'm just coming to the next. As much as possible I will cover today, and rest will be homework. And next day, that is on Thursday, I will be solving what? Another part, that is how to represent a bigger number into smaller one, and smaller number negative or positive, whatever it is. Okay? Today I am solving as much as possible. You see, this one already done. These NCERT questions, no need to. Here, simplify. So already I have done these questions. Last 7, this only 2 questions was there in the textbook. That pattern of questions. Simplify. Question number 7. Question number 7. Simplify. Okay. Meaning is same. Negative exponent is there. 4 raised to minus 3 into a raised to minus 5 into b raised to minus 4. Overall 4 raised to minus 5 into a raised to minus 8 and b raised to minus 3. Sorry, 3 only. So now I told you none of the number will be in the composite form, but 4 is composite. So in both cases 4 is there. So no need to convert into prime factor here, because already similarity is there. What to do? What to do here? So this 2 will be in the divide form. All will be divide form. Okay. So 4 raised to minus 3. So when this one will come here, minus 5 into a raised to minus 5, here minus minus 8 into b raised to minus 4 minus 3. Clear? So 4 raised to minus 3 minus minus plus 5 into a raised to minus 5 minus minus plus 8 into b raised to minus 7 minus minus plus. Now simplify this one. So 4 raised to 2 into this one, after calculation I am getting a raised to 3 into b raised to minus 7. Is there any similarity among the base and powers? No. So you have to leave up to this much. Okay. Or a little bit squeeze you can do it, or you can leave up to this much. Understood this question? So a raised to 4 raised to 2, a raised to 3 and b raised to minus 7. This is b. Don't confuse, don't make it 6. It is b. Clear? 7. Next is same. Simplify. Now all questions will be in the simplified form. So practice makes the man perfect. Whatever the questions I am giving you, you have to do lot of questions, because you don't have any work at home. Only studies and studies and studies. Okay? So you have to remember this point in your mind. Now a raised to 2 into a raised to 3 into a raised to, very simple. But you have to apply laws. All having what? A as the base. So I can show under one base 2 plus 3 minus 5. Okay, what is the answer? A raised to 5 minus 5. A raised to 0. When any number raised to the power 0 means 1. Answer is 1. Clear? Understood? Now here I am doing another one. Question number 9. So 49 into t raised to minus 5 by 7 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 9, where t not equal to 0. Whatever the questions given in alphabet, that is not equal to 0. So you see, I told you when number is there, number you have to write in a power form and a prime also. So 49 can be written 7 square into t raised to minus 5 by 7 raised to minus 3 into, here it can be written but there is no similarity also. No need to convert it into 5 into 2. Okay, because on the numerator there is no 2, no 5. Okay, so that's why no need to show in a prime factor here. So as per our requirement we will be doing. Somewhere we will be doing, somewhere we will not doing. Where it is required, then we will do it, and when it is not required, we will not do it. Okay. Now, so these two are in a division form. 7 raised to 2 minus 3. This minus is for division, and this is the power of this number, into t raised to minus 5, but here minus 9 overall by 10. Nothing is there, only 10 you have to write down. So 7 raised to 2 plus 3 into t raised to minus 5 plus 9 overall by 10. So that equals to 7 raised to 5 into t raised to plus minus 4 divided by 10. Okay, up to this much. I cannot reduce further. After subtracting, I am getting 4 as the power of t, After adding, I'm getting 5 as the power of 7 and 10. There is no part any with the 10 to be calculated here. So 10 will be denominator as it is. Okay, this is the answer. So your exam is finished. So now you have to focus in half yearly. So keeping half yearly in mind, you have to prepare yourself. Okay. Whatever tasks I'm giving you, you will try to solve as much as possible. Okay. This is also not required for you. So for higher standard questions, no need to solve. Okay. I'm giving you this one. Clear? Question number 9. 9. No, 4 into 7 raised to 10 raised to 7 into 6. It is what? This question is given outside. Let me check it. Now 6 into 10 raised to minus 5 by 8 into 10 raised to 4. Clear? Now this is a binomial product. You have to multiply these two. Okay. And whatever the solution is coming, you have to write down here. So if I multiply by 4, it will be what? It will be these two binomial product. After this, I'm getting result what? 24 into 10 raised to 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 minus 5 will be the result. Okay, and leave it like this. All in the product form. These two I have just multiplied. Okay, this 2 and 4, 24, and by 8 into 10 raised to 4. Have you understood this part? So you have to apply tricks. This two number I have just multiplied, and these two number I have given as it is, so that I can follow certain rules. If I cut it, I am getting 3, and 10 power is there. 3 into 10 raised to 7 minus 4 into here the power, these two power will be added, plus this 10 power will be added, and this 10 power will be subtracted, minus 4. So 3 into 10 raised to, what is the answer? 7 minus 5 minus 4, or 3 into 10 raised to 7 minus 9. So that equals to sorry, I should not write this way. So 3 into 10 raised to, what is the answer? Minus 2. Okay, so minus 2, how can I write down? Or 3 by 10 raised to 2, positive 2. Okay, this is the last part of answer. 3 by 10 raised to minus 2. Or if you like to show in the 10 tens are 100, that can also be done. 3 by 10 tens are 100. Okay, this is the answer. Are you getting it? Now one more question I like to solve. After that, remaining part you will try to solve at home. I am uploading this question. Okay, very interesting. and easy also. All questions are not for you. So what are the type of questions I have solved you? You will just solve it, because maximum question is for class 9. Okay, and if you are able to, then you will solve it. Okay, otherwise don't try to solve it also. Now here, as I told you, two forms are there. One is the radical form, one is the exponential form. Just I am giving you one example. How and on what way we have to solve those questions. Okay, say question number 10. What is this? 10 6 raised to minus 1 by 5 raised to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. What is the power here? Double power. Both are in a rational form. Rational power. Okay. So 16 raised to, what I will do? Minus 1 by, so you can write down minus 6 into 5 by 2. This order, can you cancel it or not? If you are not able to cancel, don't it. 16 can be written in what? 2 raised to 4. Is it? 2 raised to 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 times 2 continuously, if you multiply, you will give me 16. Multiplied by minus 1 by 6. Multiplied by 5 by 2. It is a base and all will be power. Now try to cut it. Sorry, this will be 2. So cut 2. Cut 3. What is left out? 2 raised to minus 5 into 5. Minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 by 3. Or 2 raised to minus 5 by 3. So negative power 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2 raised to what? 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay? You have to show like this way. Now here, this part is very interesting. I told you, cube root, fifth root 32 raised to minus 3. So what is called this formation, representation? Radical form, because order is the root order is there. It is a fifth root of 32 raised to minus 3. Fifth root of 32 raised to minus 3. So if I remove this root sign, so it will be 32 raised to minus 3 first, and this is the order of fifth root. How can I write down? 1 by 5. If it is a cube, 1 by 3. If it is a 4, 1 by 4. This is the rule. Fifth root, third root, fourth root, sixth root, whatever it is. Now I cannot cancel. 32, how can I write down? 2 raised to 5 multiplied by minus 3 into 1 by 5. At least some sort of calculation will be there. 5 cancel is 2, that is the minus 2 raised to minus 3, positive 1 by 2 raised to 3. Answer. Very interesting. So radical form, first convert into exponential form and try to reduce the base in terms of power, and you will get some part is getting cancelled. Okay. Now last questions. This is the last question of radical form. Rest you will do, you will practice. I am uploading this file. You can do it. Okay. Now question C. Cube root of 343 raised to minus 2. So I can write down 343 raised to minus 2. What is the order? Cube root multiplied by 1 by 3. Cube root. Okay. Now 343 you have to show in a power form. How can I write down? 7 raised to 3. 7 3 times if I multiply, I'll be getting 7 is 49. 49 into 7, 3 plus 32. Okay, so it is coming 340. 7 raised to 3 multiplied by minus 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, so this 3 getting cancelled, or 7 raised to minus 2, or 1 by 7 raised to minus 2, with positive 2. Or you can write down one step more, or 1 by 49. 7 7 is 49. Okay. So what about this type of questions here? You will try to solve it. I am uploading it. So this radical form converted to exponential form. Follow the laws of exponent. Calculate at the end. You may leave at this form, exponential form, or you can find out in the number form also. Okay, have understood? So no more today. Next day again we will meet together. Till then, bye bye students.